guys, tingnan nyo yung mga kalesa nila dito. May mga bulaklak. Para silang sasama sa sa Flores de Mayo ng mga kabayo. No? Diba? So, sinong mananalo dyan? Comment down below. Insa, no? Mekos natin. We are now here on our first location today. The National Monument of Jakarta, Monas. Kayo, eto na siya, Monas. How was it? Good. Pancake. This is the cathedral map. Ayan. Tapos may kinakasal pa doon, guys. Sakto. Ay, Carlo Acutis. Blessed Carlo Acutis. Pope John Paul. So nasa Galleria Sofia tayo and pumunta natin yung first floor, nasa 60,000 Indonesian rupiah. Tapos pupunta din tayo sa 6th and 7th floor, nasa 100,000 Indonesian rupiah. Separate yung bayad per floor. So hindi na namin pinuntahan yung 5th floor, which is yung Tang Dynasty, kasi more on sa China naman yan, Chinese mga statues. So yun, first floor and 6th and 7th floor.
For the ticket first, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, this is for the first floor.
First floor.
Yes, for ticket.
Okay.
And this is sticker, so you can put it on your clothes.
Okay.
And this one is for the 6th floor and the 7th floor.
Okay.
So you can go to the 7th floor first because maybe it's not too crowded.
Oh. Venus de Milo. Kung pwede yan. Video. Ayan guys, nakasakay kami sa touchless elevator. Punta kami sa 7th floor. Siya guys. Thank you. Hello. This is Venice.
Wow!